All right, so it's Sunday morning. We just come down to the beach, me and Chubbs. We missed the sunrise this morning, but it's absolutely just beautiful down here right now. We got one guy out paddle boarding. Looks like he's already caught one and done already. But no, it's a beautiful morning. Me and Chubbs are going to come down here and check out Springmaid Pier and see what kind of progress they're making on it. But it looks like they're making a lot of progress. So we haven't been down here probably for at least a couple weeks before Hurricane Dorian, and you can see it's washed out all the sand again, so we'll have to do another replenishment. But beautiful day down here, so let's go down here and check and see how much progress they've made on this pier. All right, looks like we've got a lot of people out looking for shark teeth, but I did not realize how far this actually washed up. So high tide, we have no beach down here right now at Springmaid Pier. So if coming down here, might as well plan on that, which is the south end of Myrtle Beach. So I would say if it's like that down here, I don't know if they did a renourishment all the way through, but I do know on this other side of the pier they did a renourishment last year. But yeah, we've got no beach now. High tide, it's gone. So you want to keep walking down through here and checking it out. But this will be the new Springmaid Pier when they get it completed. They're working pretty hard on it right now. Where it used to go all the way out, which that's a good view there. It used to go all the way out to where them pelicans are sitting on them poles out there. So they've made it about halfway out to the original area the Springmaid Pier was on. But can't take the dog through there, and I ain't gonna got my tennis shoes on today. I'm not getting feet wet, so we'll have to walk around, maybe check it out from the other side, get a view up the beach. But there's new construction at Springmaid Pier, which is down by Doubletree Inn by Hilton on the south end of Myrtle Beach, right before you get to the state park. So boys wanting to play with Chubbs this morning. What are they doing, Chubbs? Huh? They wanting to play, ain't they? Huh? So we're gonna walk around here because I'm not gonna go underneath that pier and get caught and get my feet wet. But here's the Springmaid Pier. So let's walk around here and let's see what we got. But this is Doubletree Inn, and Doubletree was redone a few years ago. And when I'm out Uber driving and Lyft, I do get a lot of rides from down here. This is a nice resort. It's one of the bigger resorts also. It's spread out and got its own little convention center and area. But it's real nice. All right, so this is going to be a problem here. I can't get all the way around, so we'll have to call it. Won't be able to get up on the north side of the pier. But here's all the construction equipment that they're using here for rebuilding Springmaid Pier. You can see the construction. They got two big old cranes out here working on it. But God, that's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day here at the beach. But you do have Jack's lessons, tours, and rentals down here for surfing and paddle boarding at Springmaid Pier. They've got their boards and stuff still put out, I guess from renting yesterday. But here's Springmaid Pier. Then you have Doubletree Inn. What we're going to do, we're just going to walk up this part right here at Doubletree to show you this whole Doubletree resort. Like I said, they do have several buildings here, and this one here is the bigger of the three, I believe. 2 or 3 pools also, but this thing is spread out, and this is a nice resort. So I think this is the restaurant and the convention center area. It looks like they do have some outdoor seating up here on this deck. Chubbs is getting me all tangled up. He's running around my feet. But down here is the pool, one of the other pools. This is the second pool here, and this is right out in front of the restaurant and convention area. They do have some stuff set out here for games and stuff like that, and you got your own little cabanas that you can be in. But this is real nice in here. But this is the next pool. Then you have these little walkways down to the beach. And then when you get down to the beach, this is your view. And this is a Doubletree Inn, south of Springmaid Pier, which is the furthest point south in Myrtle Beach proper. And then you have your state park, and then your campgrounds, Pirate Land, Ocean Lakes. But let's go on down here and check out this next building. All right, this is the south end building here at Doubletree. So I guess there's just two buildings, but then you have the convention center, a pool bar, and restaurant in the middle of the two. You have a lot of open space here. So they do have its own pool on this end. So there are 3 pools here, and it's kind of spread out. But yeah, this is a big resort. So you have your little feet washing stations when you come back off the beach. But here's your next pool, and it's got a lazy river to it. All right, so I had to make a little slight detour here. But we're going to go back out and check out the beach and head to the house and go to North Carolina this morning. We're going to call it in the morning here from Doubletree and Springmaid Pier. So we'll see you on the flip side. Y'all stay frosty, hit that like button and subscribe.